everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, my layout is completely different and there's a reason behind that. I just felt like today's video is very reliant on natural lighting. I've got my ring light over here, which you can probably see in my glasses, which I have no idea why I have them on because you're not used to me ever wearing them, so I'll just be blind again. So today's video is actually all about being blonde and just maintaining that beautiful blonde color. Most girls have this intense desire to be a beautiful blonde. With that wish and that desire comes the horrible process of bleaching your hair and having these miraculous orange, yellow undertones spring up. Sometimes immediately after bleaching your hair is orange. Sometimes after you've bleached your hair, it's like this gorgeous blonde, and then 2 weeks later, orange. Sometimes when you bleach your hair, the tone is just so gorgeous, and then as you wash your hair, it starts fading and it goes back to orange. With being blonde and with trying to maintain the whole beautiful blonde girl type of look, comes the necessity of a silver or purple shampoo. Today I want to speak about purple shampoo. So the purple shampoo that I've just always used since making my hair blonde, the OSMO Silverizing shampoo for blonde and grey tones. It just has an amazing smell, but my number one reason for using and purchasing OSMO is that it is sulfate free. The amazing people that OSMO are decided to, they were like, wait a minute, our brand is not freaking amazing enough, let's try and make it more amazing. How do we do that? We make the purple shampoo so purple that it's almost black. So I'm going to insert a clip over here and you will see the difference between the one I always use and the new one I purchased. The new range of OSMO is called OSMO Super Silver No Yellow Shampoo, and you'll see it looks pretty much the same as the other bottle, old one, new one, but this one is so super pigmented that they say it can even be used as a toner in salons. I'm going to show you my hair now, then I'm going to go wash my hair with the super silver one. We can just sort of see if, you know, it's worth the hype that everyone is making about this new one over here. Let me loosen my hair, this crazy mess of a hair. Like now that it's short, it's so difficult to just actually keep where the hell it's supposed to be. Like I don't think it knows where the hell it's supposed to be. Like look at this ponytail. It's like, oh, no better feeling in the world. So you'll see I have like really pretty colors in my hair. Like look how amazing I look. Look how amazing my hair looks. I probably need to like run a brush through it or something. I don't have a problem with like orange or yellow tones, but if you look at my roots, like I hope you can see this because I can't see what you're able to see. If I can get any of this like blonder, why not? I've just put it on. The bottle says leave it for 1 to 5 minutes. I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes. I'm going to rinse it off. But anyways, I will see you guys soon. I'm literally leaving this on for 5 minutes, washing off, and then I'm back at you. This is the result. This is how it toned my hair. I love it. The roots are still, as you can see, a tiny bit like yellow, but it definitely did tone it. It definitely did change it a bit. I am actually really chuffed with the way it toned my hair and just the different types of highlight. It makes it like more of a grey ash blonde, which I adore, and that's my favorite blonde. It's really not dry at all because it doesn't have sulfates. It's like so delicate on your hair. Oh, so I don't know, let me know what you think and let me know what your favorite brand of purple shampoo is, and then maybe next time I'll give that a go. Maybe next time you can give this one a go. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate it, and I hope in some or other little tiny way I sort of helped you today. Have a gorgeous one.